Ready?
Let's go! Avery's in the lead! Gravedigger wins!
No, the tiny guy.
Max D hit the hole.
Oh, Max D crashed. Oh.
I win.
My toes! No!
You'll never get your toes again.
Oh! They're kind of there. I see them. What? You got a garage.
So we can make a pit. If they have to drive through.
Gonna make an arena for them. It's awesome.
I have a good idea.
What?
This is going to be where it crushes all, and then it comes a big way up, and you're trying to make it.
We do need to make a ramp.
The biggest
Okay.
To jump them off of.
ever.
Okay,
Make a big giant ramp. You can even use a piece of wood.
Not ready. Last chance.
Okay, let's go, dude.
See how it goes.
Oh!
What about Gravedigger?
Then Gravedigger. Here it comes, dude.
Look out! Look out! Wow!
Oh,
that was a good
he
one.
made it.
Come up here, Dad.
You ready for the rollover contest?
Okay, let's see.
Dad.
They both ended up on their sides.
Don't smash the top. Whoa!
Oh, he landed on his wheels!
Let me jump.
No. Watch out.
Here he goes! Gravedigger!
Oh! Gravedigger,
One more
yeah!